How to pay on AliExpress using a Visa gift card. This is super simple. So let's dive right into the video. Log in to your AliExpress account. Open the AliExpress app or website and make sure you are signed in. Go to payment settings. Click on your profile. Then navigate to payment. This is where you will manage all your payment methods. Add your Visa gift card. In the card section, select add new card. Enter the Visa gift card details, like the card number, expiration date and CVV code. Visa is reported on AliExpress, so your card will be accepted. Save the card as a payment method. Browse AliExpress and find the product you want to purchase. Once you have chosen an item, click on buy now or add to cart. Select the Visa gift card at checkout. During checkout, choose your Visa gift card as a payment method. Confirm your payment details and proceed to finalize your order. And that's it. You've successfully used your Visa gift card to pay on AliExpress. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if for more tutorials like this.